Hello and welcome to session 9 of Lockdown Welsh. Moved inside to get away from the slightly less attractive weather we're having up here now. Now, you're probably washing your hands a lot, so let's talk about that. Hands in Welsh is nwylo, nwylo, nwylo. So hands is nwylo. So my hands is fy nwylo, fy nwylo. Don't worry about that change. You know, if you just say fy dwylo, that's going to be fine too. People will understand you. But fy nwylo. So my hands is fy nwylo. So you might remember the pattern. If you want to say something is, it's my something un. So my hands are is my fy nwylo yn. My fy nwylo yn. So what are your hands by now? Well, they're probably clean, aren't they? So clean in Welsh is glân, glân. Clean is glân. So when you're describing something as clean, you'll say it's unlân, unlân. So something is clean, unlân. So my hands are clean. Mae fy nwylo yn lân. Mae fy nwylo yn lân. Now, if you want to make clean comparative, if you want to say cleaner, then you go from glân to lanach, lanach. So that becomes lanach. So our cleaner is lanach, lanach. So my hands are cleaner. Mae fy nwylo yn lanach. Mae fy nwylo yn lanach. So what are they cleaner than? Let's just go for the all-encompassing ever. So ever in Welsh is erioed, erioed. Ever, erioed. So when you're saying than ever, in this context, you just need to say nag erioed. So than ever, nag erioed. So cleaner than ever, glannach nag erioed. So are cleaner than ever when you tie it in with the lanach nag erioed. Lanach nag erioed. So put it all together. My hands are cleaner than ever. Mae fy nwylo yn lanach nag erioed. Mae fy nwylo yn lanach nag erioed. So I hope you got some hand cream in there because that's increasingly important these days. Okay, just a short one for today. So yeah, hope you found that one easy. And let's do a quick recap on a couple of the others. Do you remember the previous one was you shouldn't drink a bottle of red wine every hour. Ddyle ti ddim yfed potel o win coch bob awr. Ddyle ti ddim yfed bottle o win coch bob awr. Maybe one a day is probably okay. Before that, we had, I'm not saying where I've hidden the toilet roll. Dwi ddim yn deud lle dwi wedi cuddio'r papur tŷ bach. What do we have before that? Yes, everybody wants to take the dog for a walk. Mae pawb isio mynd ar ci am dro. And I don't remember what day it is today. Dwi ddim yn cofio pa ddiwrnod ydy heddiw. Hwyl am y tro.